Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, I want to do a follow-up on that Marx 588 forward-only motor that came out of that 588 switcher. Anyway, double reduction motor. This had no push rods on it. As you see, it had plain rear wheels. Now, this is a double reduction motor. So, in any case, went through my parts, pulled these wheels off, installed a new set of wheels, as you see. Used push rods, but good enough for this application. And as you see, this is a forward-only motor, and this came from the factory like this. It has the cage for the E-unit, so it can hold the light bulb, but it has no E-unit at all. And this has not been bypassed. This is factory. Anyway, so I replaced the rear wheels, installed some push rods, thought I'd put this on the track and take it around. So as you see, up and running, and you can now put this into any standard shell. So what I'm going to do, of course, is drop it back into that 898 wind-up shell, and it gives me a new locomotive that costs almost nothing. So just swapped out those rear wheels for a set with push rods on them, and of course you can retain these for front wheels, since that's essentially what they are. And I'll just add the parts to the wheels to the parts box. In any case, it's really simple. So I can scrape the bit of rust that's on this push rod off, and it will be more than good enough for this application. Anyway, the point being that when you run across one of these motors and they don't have push rods on them, it's really, really simple. Now you can, of course, actually drill and tap these and put a push rod on them. I've done that. But in this case, it's a whole lot faster just to replace the wheels. So pull the wheels off the motor, replace them, press the new wheels on, and you're up and running. So I've done really nothing to this motor other than pull it out of that 588 shell and now install push rods on it. So again, it gives you a standard motor that you can now drop into any steam locomotive. And as I said, I've got that 898 wind-up shell, so this is going to be the perfect motor for that shell. Really simple, but again, it gives me a new locomotive virtually for free. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. It's really simple. It only takes a minute. Once you have a wheel puller and a way to press the wheels back on, you can fix anything you can find. And that's the truth. I mean, you can fix anything. It's really a matter of minutes to completely dismantle this motor. So if you need an armature, a brush plate, any of the external parts, it's really, really simple just to swap them out. And that's why it's important to always have parts. Because when you take one of these motors apart that needs a part, if you don't have it, you're stuck. You know, you can't repair it until you have that part. So what I do, of course, is go on eBay and buy all the junk I can find, and what I can't fix, I strip for parts. 99% of the time, you can get these motors running. So it just depends. In this case, just went through the parts box and found 2 wheels. And of course, this is double reduction. So the single reduction wheels and the double reduction wheels are different. They're not interchangeable. But I've got the push rods installed. It doesn't look bad. It runs good. It's forward only. But again, I'm going to stick it in that 898 wind-up shell. Perfect application for this motor. Anyway, as you see, it only took a minute. This is up and running absolutely splendidly. So I just want to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.